using the wrong preposition. One, insist on, not two. Don't say, he always insisted to his opinion. Say, he always insisted on his opinion. 2, interested in, not for. Don't say, she's not interested for her work. Say, she's not interested in her work. 3, jealous of, not from. Don't say, he's very jealous from his brother. Say, he's very jealous of his brother. 4, leave for a place, not to a place. Don't say, they're leaving to England soon. Say, they're leaving for England soon. 5, live on, not from. Don't say, he lives from his brother's money. Say, he lives on his brother's money. 6, look at, not to. Don't say, look to this beautiful picture. Say, look at this beautiful picture. 7, married to, not with. Don't say, Angelo was married with a rich man. Say, Angelo was married to a rich man. 8, opposite to, not from. Don't say, their house is opposite from ours. Say, their house is opposite to ours. 9, pass by a place, not from a place. Don't say, will you pass from the post office? Say, will you pass by the post office? 10, play for a team, not with a team. Don't say, he plays regularly with that team. Say, he plays regularly for that team. 11, pleased with, not from. Don't say, the teacher is pleased from me. Say, the teacher is pleased with me. 12, popular with, not among. Don't say, John's popular among his friends. Say, John's popular with his friends. 13, prefer to, not from. Don't say, I prefer a blue pen from a red one. Say, I prefer a blue pen to a red one. 14, preside at or over, not in. Don't say, who presided in the last meeting. Say, who presided at or over the last meeting. 15, proud of, not for. Don't say, he's very proud for his promotion. Say, he's very proud of his promotion. 16, rejoice at or in, not for. Don't say, we rejoiced for her success. Say, we rejoiced at or in her success. 17, related to, not with. Don't say, are you related with Simon in any way? Say, are you related to Simon in any way? 18, repent of, not from. Don't say, he repented from his crime. Say, he repented of his crime. 19, satisfied with, not from. Don't say, are you satisfied from your marks? Say, are you satisfied with your marks? 20, similar to, not with. Don't say, your house is similar with mine. Say, your house is similar to mine.